Hi, my name is William Floyd. I'm the Executive Director of the Department of Employment and Workforce. We're here today as part of Exploring South Carolina at Work. We're focusing on how to join the EMS industry. Let's go.
Copy. 45-year-old male, chief complaint, chest pain.
I'm here with Aaron Dix. And Aaron, tell us about who you are and what you do and how you got here.
Sure. So I'm Aaron Dix. I'm the Vice President of Emergency Medical Services and Patient Flow Operations for Prisma Health.
And the pathway to get there, sounds like to me it doesn't have to be that complicated for somebody to really test the waters of EMS.
It's very easy. Within our health system, so the entire team is about 550, and out of those 550, we have EMTs, paramedics, critical care paramedics, community paramedics. We have nurses, respiratory therapists, and we have educators, trainers, and administrators.
Yeah, sounds like to me a lot of different pathways to get to this point. And then there's some training that needs to go on, right?
Yes.
And this is the place where training happens. I'm looking in behind us there.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the training required to become an EMT or other. Well, Aaron, we were talking about the importance of training, especially for your industry. So tell us about that and why we're here.
Sure. So this is the Greenville Healthcare Simulation Center here at Prisma Health. And what we have is a high fidelity simulator. What we don't want is any healthcare clinician doing something for the first time on a person, right? So these simulators allow us to learn how to assess and treat patients without hurting them because we're all students, right? We all start that way. So as you can see, he actually blinks, his pupils react and move to light. As you can see, if we're in a hospital setting and we're training in the hospital setting, we can see their vital signs no different than if we were in a patient care room. If we're in the EMS environment, our cardiac monitors can hook up to the patient as well. Mm-hmm. So we're using our own equipment, our own medications. So as we're learning and training, we're getting more familiar with our own equipment.
Better to learn here than out in the field.
That's right.
All right, I hope he feels better soon.
He will. We'll save him right now.
All right.
Join a dynamic, flexible, and rewarding career field that offers free education and training, guaranteed job placement, competitive benefits and pay, and advancement opportunities. There are immediate educational programs and jobs to fill statewide. Explore programs, view job openings, or connect with a job coach at scemsa.org/EMS.
The previous video has been produced in collaboration with Prisma Health to provide insight into the EMS health system. Some of the information presented is specific to Prisma Health as an example and may not represent the EMS industry across the state. For more information about South Carolina's emergency medical services, please visit the South Carolina EMS Association website at scemsa.org.